Hey, yo, attention all my teens in high schools. I need you to stop whatever you're doing and pay attention, cause it's about to go down. Yo, this weekend kicks off the spring break weekend. So you know, me and the team is about to shut the city down. This Saturday at the all-new Premier Nightclub, Club Kingdom. We jumping it off with the Hall reunion. That's right, this Saturday, March 17th, and we bringing back the Hall at Club Kingdom. All the sellout parties, like the Hands Up, Get Low, where them girls at, and my all-black birthday party, all in one. Doors are opening up at 8 p.m. And attention all my ladies, you are absolutely free to 8:30 with Leg. Dude, you $10. This event is hosted by me, Boy Young Dip, and J1. But check this out, this event's gonna be so huge I had to bring in some extra help. My homeboy from Hot 104.1, A+.
Man, it's 8+. You know what's going down this Saturday. Club Kingdom, it's the Hall reunion. You know how turned up the Hall was.
You know DJ Q gonna turn you up in a mix.
It's your boy DJ Q. We'll be rocking Saturday at Club Kingdom, the new spot for all the teams.
So this Saturday at Club Kingdom is the only place you need to be and the only place to be. This will sell out. Security is enforced. For more information, call or text 1-4-438-7833. This event is powered by Voice and Promotions, Fame Game, Swag Hall, Lady Q's, SSM, Team Crucial, and Bandcamp.